everyone, welcome to the Cloud Network channel. In this video I am going to show you about how to install the Ubuntu. So right now you can see I am making a pendrive bootable for the Ubuntu 10.20. So I am going to install in my laptop. So once it get bootable, let me show you how you can. So I've connected the pen drive here. So now I'm going to install my Dell laptop Ubuntu. So I already installed 18.04, but I'm installing Ubuntu 20.04. Let's have restart my Ubuntu without waiting and fast. So let's begin that one. Once restart, we need to press the escape or from the key or F2 for the Dell laptop. Okay, according to that we need to press for the BIOS menu. Okay, so we need to press that one. Either you need to press F2 or F12, whichever is the key for to go to the BIOS. Just need to press, so that we need to install from the. So once it's get restarted, on the screen you will be get the Dell logo will be come up. So once we restart now, at the time of booting it will become up Dell logo. At the time you need to press either the escape F2 or F12 key. Okay, so I got the here the screen. You can see I have to select the USB storage device. Okay, or we can change the boot menu this or go to BIOS setup. Okay, so anyone that one, select that one. I'm selecting USB which I have connected. So let's see what it will come up with that one. So it's loading my Ubuntu on the icon. So it's checking the device, this checking. So if you want to cancel, press Control C. So it will be cancel from here like this, Control C. Okay, let it check, continue. I will not be do that one. No errors found. So let's just get booting. So let's select. So before installations you can try Ubuntu without installations. Okay, so without installations you can try Ubuntu, and if you want to install Ubuntu, click on that one and select the language and keyboard layout. You have to select that one, then click on continue. And if you have Wi-Fi, you can connect. I don't want to connect right now. So here the main part of the installations we came. So that is the main part where I like to sell the normal installations. That means it will be installed with the browsers and software, games and everything. Okay, and the manual installation, web browsers, utilities there. So I'm selecting the first one, it's the browser. So before we continue with these options, please take a backup if you have a data in that one. Okay, so it's very important. Here is the main part which I have shown. So like you want to install Ubuntu along with 18, like I said, I have already installed 18, so I don't want 18 right now. So selecting erasable 18.04 and reinstall, or it's erase the disk and install Ubuntu. This is also one more options. So before selecting any one of the options, please try to take the backup of your data if you have very important. So by automatic the partition has been created here. So I'm selecting continue here to the partitions. That time zone we need to select here. So I've clicked on my country and I got it automatically. So continue, need to give a full name and the password like this information. After giving the password, it's copying the file. If you click on this arrow, you will be get about this. Okay, the documentation. So if you connect internet also, it will take some more time to complete with these packages and software installations if you have connected with internet. So I have skipped that internet, so it will be take less time to complete the installations. So once it's complete, I will show you about this interface about Ubuntu 20.04. So let's wait for a few minutes to complete that one. So my friends, you can download the ISO image from the Ubuntu website. So there you can find the link of that one below to my video in the description box. So here the installation completed. I am going to restart now. So let's restart, see the path Ubuntu. Like after restarting, it's asking to remove the CD or the pen drive which I have connected. So let's remove my pen drive here connected. So after that we need to press and enter here. So the installation completed, restarted. Now let's see. This is live patches there. Click on next. So here we got, see on the screen, this is my Ubuntu, which is compared to 18.04, it's totally different here. So, and if we go to on about, and you can see this is my Ubuntu 20.04 OS is there. Okay, so if you have any problem, you can comment below to my video. Thanks for watching my video. Please share my channel.